Hello Gucci's team and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing with you this turmeric tilapia fish pepper soup recipe. Very good for the weather. If you're having running nose, if you're running fever, if you're just going through the weather and you think you want something that will really help you, this is for you. I'm making this pepper soup because my husband has sinuses and this has always been very helpful. Stay tuned and enjoy this video. So I'm going to go ahead and clean this fish nicely. Make sure I remove everything that needs to be removed before we get started. Stay tuned. For this recipe, if you have powdered turmeric, that is fine, but I'm using fresh turmeric, I'm using garlic, I'm using ginger, I'm using onion, I'm using lemon and lime. As you can see, I've gone ahead to clean up all my vegetables. I have turmeric here, I have ginger here, I have garlic here, I have red onion, and I have yellow onion, I have lemon, I have lime. I went in with scotch bonnet peppers and I went in with some chili peppers. I have fresh tomatoes here. This is my scotch bonnet pepper. You can skip it completely if you do not eat peppers. I have some red bell peppers. I also added a little bit. So these are all I'm going to be using for this very pepper soup recipe. If you look at these things in this bowl, if there are things you don't like, just completely skip them. But it's something I'm going to encourage you to try because these are very healthy vegetables. Here I have some herbs. I have cloves, I have fermented seed, black peppercorn, I have uda, I have some ehuru, which is traditional nutmeg. Get your blender and blend all of this together. So here I am adding all my peppers into the blender. I'm going to blend all of this until they are very smooth. You can choose not to blend it too smooth, but this is pepper soup, right? So you need to blend this until it is very smooth. That way you're going to enjoy your pepper soup. Stay tuned. So I'm going to add all of my herbs into the blend so everything can be well incorporated. I'm going to continue to blend until it is very smooth so we can add it to the pot. Blend, 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 guys. Everything is nicely incorporated. I'm going to set this aside so I can just rinse my fish out. I've gone ahead to clean my tilapia fish very nicely. I removed everything that needs to be removed. As you can see, the inside, the stomach side of the fish is properly clean. I took out all the things that I do not like in my fish. So if there's anything you like to leave in your fish, that's your choice. But this is how I like to go about cleaning my fish. I'm going to rinse it out of the sink. So here are the fishes. I've divided this fish into two parts. I'm using the other part for another recipe. So we're going to add this to the pot. Make sure you boil your water before you start adding your fish. This will enable your fish to cook very quickly. I boiled my water for about 5 minutes before I started adding the fish. Trust me guys, this is a very quick and easy recipe to go. Alright, we're going to go in and add our salt. So go in and add your salt, add your Maggi, add your crayfish, whatever you want to add, go ahead and add because we're going to start adding everything. That way we are not going to waste time. Add your Maggi, just go ahead and add everything that you need to add. Add your pepper soup spice if you have extra pepper soup spice. Like I'm just adding my extra pepper soup spice, even though I blended some. Just go ahead and add. This is going to help you real good. So this is my blended herbs and all of my vegetables. I'm going to add it to the bowl so we can add straight into the pot. So we are just going to add it into the fish so that everything can start cooking. Add it like so and just stir it up together if you can. I left the fish in whole. That's how my husband used to like it. I'm going to add some more water. Just rinse off your bowl into the pepper soup like so. It's pepper soup, right? So we need more water. I hope you are liking this video. If you are, please give it a thumbs up. I'm going to add the lemon sticks. I'll cover it to cook for about 5 minutes and that is it. Voila, 5 minutes later our pepper soup is ready. Guys, these lemon sticks give it a very beautiful taste. This tastes so divine. Gucci's team, be loving, be kind, be merciful. God loves the merciful heart. If you have watched till this moment, I want to say thank you. Thank you all so much for stopping by to watch. This is how we are going to be serving my hubby and his uncle. I hope you try this. Ciao, ciao. See you in another video. Bye bye. See you soon. Ciao, ciao. Thank you all so much. God bless.